Citizen FL42 lathe with bar feeder for sale. Automatic screw machine Swiss type CNC. Citizen lathe for sale because of an insurance claim settlement. Has 2 cables that need to be replaced. Had a small fire in the mist buster collector area which was suppressed quickly. Collets and manuals. Used Citizen lathe machine for sale, make offer. Located in Dallas, Texas. Not under power, already deinstalled. In warehouse ready to be loaded out. Make offer, call 281-905-1574.